Hello everybody, my name is Septian, and this is your first time here. I review true wireless earbuds and in-ear monitors. Today I got a video. This is going to be an unboxing of the Monster N-Lite 200. These are basically the Airlinks. On the side you got the pure Monster sound with a little note from Noel Lee. Also, it shows you what's inside the box. You get 3 sets of silicone tips, small, medium, and large, and a USB Type-C cable. Clear audio. I hope you're taking notes. On the back, you got the features. You got up to 21 hours of playtime with the charging case. You got Bluetooth 5.0, low latency, more reliable connection. Well, yeah, duh. Clear call quality, voice control, and IPX5 water resistant. Thank you, Monster. On the other side, you got more of the same features that's on the back. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what's inside. I'll leave a link down in the description below. I bought these from Amazon. The price, I think these are around $30. It's all said and done, maybe $33.99, something like that. And take that off. Got another. Oh, this is okay. I always tear these things up. Okay. Oh, it shows you how to, got a card here. Shows you how to clean your earbuds. Use a Q-tip. Got some warranty, multiple languages, and you got a pretty good quick start guide. I'd go ahead and call this a user manual. All right. Not bad. Okay, we got full touch controls here. Oh yeah, that's right, I forgot. These also are wirelessly, you can wirelessly charge these. Let's see. Got the earbuds right here. Inside the case. Matte. Feels good and feels pretty good. Lid's not too sturdy. Oh wow. It's a different type of dot style earbud here. Look at that. They're very small. Let's see what else is inside the box. This is going to be the tips and the cable. Just open this up, see what's inside. What is this? Oh, they come with they come with little Q-tips so you can clean the buds. All right. Everything right here is inside this little bag. Tear this open. Okay, wow, it's a good presentation here. You got USB-A to USB Type-C, and you have the small and the large silicone tips. Is that pretty much it? Okay, I got the Sonic Pros on my Anchor wireless charger. I'm gonna take them off. I'm gonna put these on. All right, I'm gonna put the buds back in the case. I'm gonna put this on here. Yep, wireless charging. Yeah! Wow. That's a really small case. It's very compact and lightweight. Let's see, let me get my Soundpeach T2 out. Yeah, these are slightly smaller than the T2 case. Yep, look at that. Nice. Got the same matte feel to them. Okay, let me get the Tozo NC7 case. The Monster case is slightly taller. It's more slim though. Let's see. Yeah. Not bad. Okay, let me see how these fit in the ear. Very comfortably. Just twist them and lock them in. Passive noise cancellation is it's so-so. I'm definitely going to have to get some spin fits on these. But yeah, this has been the unboxing of the Monster N-Lite 200 Airlink wireless earbuds. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and share this video. And thank you for watching.